Hey friends! Welcome back to another fun drawing video. Today we're going to draw a super cute crab. So, grab your colors and let's dive right into it.
Glitty art! English!
First, I'm going to draw a big circle for the body. Then, I'll draw two big shiny eyes, a smiling mouth, and two tiny eyebrows. Next, I'll add the crab's chelipeds. These are the arms with big claws at the end that crabs use to catch food. After that, I'll draw 6 legs. Did you know? Crabs usually have 10 legs, 2 claws, and 8 walking legs. But in our cute drawing, we are showing 6 walking legs to keep it simple and adorable. Finally, I'll draw some fun bubbles around the crab to make it look like it's underwater. Now it's time to color. First, I'll color the eye lenses with glitter gray. Then I'll color the outside of the lenses with glitter black to make the eyes pop. Now for the body. I'll color both the claws and the entire round body using bright glitter red. Fun fact, crabs come in lots of colors in real life. Red, blue, even purple. Their shells help protect them, and sometimes their color helps them hide from predators. Next, I'll color the middle parts of the legs with glitter sky blue. And finally, I'll fill all the remaining parts of the legs with glitter blue. Another cool fact, some crabs can even regrow their legs if they lose one. How amazing is that? And just like that, our adorable little crab is ready. If you had fun drawing with me, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome art.